BeCozi.net is here. Today there will be a really funny, fun video. I will be showing you how to make pom-poms. It's a really easy, the easiest way you can find on YouTube, or if you try to make them, it will be the easiest way to make it. You will just need to use your hands and a little bit of merino wool. You can make them the same color, solid color. You can connect a couple colors together and make this beautiful multicolor, or 2 or 3 colors. You can also connect them all together, make a couple of them the same color or different colors, and make this beautiful garland and hang them somewhere in any of your rooms. And on this garland you can see that you can hang them really close to the string, or you can hang them like this one a little bit lower. So it's really cute way to decorate your room, and it will take you basically 5 minutes or maybe even less to make one of these beautiful pom-poms. So if you're ready, let's get started. Okay guys, so what we will need some merino wool yarn. We will be using this ash color. We will need some string and a very good sharp scissors. So it's very simple way, and it's the simplest you can imagine or you can try. You're using your hand and you're using wool. You put the yarn on your hand, leave the tail hanging a little bit off, and then you're going through around your palm 5 or 6 times. So in this case there's a very fluffy yarn, so 4, 5, let's do 6. So we did it 6 times around your hand. Now you are cutting the tail. Take your hand out, but keep it all together like that. Now we will take a string, probably about 20 inches or so, and now put the string in the middle like that. See, it's very middle of this big fluffy piece of wool, and then make a knot. Make a knot as tight as possible. Then what I'm doing, I'm turning it to another side. Make sure that it's in the middle. You can pull it a little bit, and then make another knot. Very tight, and secure it with another knot. So here what we have now. Take these 2 strings in your hand, and then we will cut these 2 sides of merino wool. Make sure that you will cut all the way through like this. All of those loops, they all need to be cut. So we did it, cut it on one side, now turning on another side and cut these loops on another side. As I said, you will need a really good scissors, really sharp ones, especially now when we will start forming a pom-pom, and it will need to be really nice and rounded. So we cut all the loops, it looks like that. So now you have this weird looking fluff ball. Subscribe to our channel, you can see a button underneath the video, and please visit our social media and follow us on Pinterest, Instagram and Facebook. What we will be doing first, you will need to fluff it out like this, and this way you are connecting the wool in between each other, so kind of like twisting it all together, especially those parts that are close to each other. See, like this we have a hole, and try to pinch them together like that. See, it's becoming nice and fluffy like this. So when you are done to fluff out the whole ball, pom-pom, we will make it in the shape of very round and beautiful pom-pom. So don't worry that it doesn't look good now. Doesn't look anything like pom-pom yet. So try to keep it in your hand like that, and then start cutting the ball. I usually start cutting it around my hand first over here, make it nice and round, and then when it's nice and round around your hand, then you can move to this part. I usually keep it like this way you can see the sides where you need to cut the ball, the pom-pom, and then keep using your scissors. And again, you need really good sharp scissors, guys. It's very important. If you have dull scissors, you will not be able to make it. So we trimmed our pom-pom, and now you can see that it has really nice and round shape, and you can keep rounding it up, making it really nice and round like that until you're happy with your results. So here's our pom-pom, guys. It's nice and round, and we have these two strings that we can use to attach it to any project you want. It's really nice if you're making a hat. You can use this pom-pom on your hat. You can make this pom-pom and attach it to the sides of the blanket. That's what we're doing to our merino wool blankets with pom-poms. They look really cool and cute. So this is the easiest pom-pom you can ever make, and you can get some merino wool on BeCozi.net, and we have also DIY knitting kit for the pom-pom. You can find all the supplies shown in this video at BeCozi.net website. We always have a lot of colors available, and we have 6 different yarns available, guys. So visit our website, subscribe to our channel, stay warm and BeCozi.